Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're taking a look at Tickmill, a globally recognized broker known for its competitive trading conditions, powerful platforms, and award-winning service. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Tickmill is a globally recognized Forex and CFD broker that has been serving traders since 2014. Known for its lightning-fast execution, razor-thin spreads, and strong regulatory oversight. Operating under a no-dealing desk model with straight-through processing, Tickmill connects clients directly to Tier 1 liquidity providers, ensuring transparency and speed in every trade. The broker is licensed by respected authorities, and traders can choose from account types designed to fit different styles, such as their classic account or their raw account. With fast average execution speeds, no requotes, and a reputation for reliability, Tickmill stands out as a trusted choice for traders seeking competitive conditions and global credibility. The broker offers a wide and diverse range of over 600 CFDs, giving traders access to more than 60 currency pairs, major global stock indices, popular commodities like gold, silver, and oil, a selection of stocks, government bonds, and even cryptocurrencies. These instruments can be traded with tight spreads, ultra-fast execution averaging just 0.20 seconds, and flexible leverage up to 1 to 1000, depending on the asset class and account type. Tickmill's platforms are designed to accommodate both beginner and professional traders, providing advanced charting tools, real-time market data, and reliable order execution. Whether you're looking to trade Forex, diversify into commodities, or explore crypto markets, Tickmill delivers a comprehensive trading experience tailored to a variety of strategies and risk levels. Tickmill is a globally regulated broker committed to safeguarding client funds. It operates under multiple licenses, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, Seychelles Financial Services Authority, and the Financial Sector Conduct Authority. To protect client funds, Tickmill employs measures such as segregated accounts, negative balance protection, and partners exclusively with reputable banks. These practices ensure that clients' assets are secure and managed in compliance with stringent regulatory standards. The broker offers a range of exciting promotions to enhance the trading experience. New clients can start with a $30 welcome account to trade risk-free, while a deposit bonus of up to 100% is available on qualifying deposits. Traders can also participate in the NFP machine contest, the Trader of the Month competition with a $1,000 cash prize, and the F1 trading competition for a chance to win VIP tickets to the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix. These promotions provide added opportunities for both new and experienced traders to maximize their trading potential. Tickmill offers a range of powerful trading platforms to suit various trading styles. Traders can choose between the MetaTrader platforms, both renowned for their advanced charting tools, automated trading capabilities, and user-friendly interfaces. For those seeking a more streamlined experience, Tickmill Trader is a user-friendly, mobile-first trading application designed for traders who value speed and simplicity. The app is available on iOS and Android, offers real-time access to over 100 CFD instruments, and features a clean, intuitive interface with one-tap order execution, live price alerts, and integrated risk management tools. Whether you're trading on the go or managing multiple positions, Tickmill Trader provides a streamlined, high-performance experience tailored for active traders. Tickmill's TradingView platform combines innovative charting tools with exceptional trading conditions. You can access real-time data, advanced technical analysis, and a global community of traders all within a single platform. With spreads starting from 0.0 pips and the leverage up to 1 to 1000, you can execute trades swiftly and efficiently. Whether you're a scalper or a swing trader, TradingView offers the flexibility and features to enhance your trading experience. Tickmill offers a variety of trading accounts tailored to different styles. The Classic account is ideal for beginners, featuring 0 commissions and spreads starting from 1.6 pips. The Raw account caters to more experienced traders, providing ultra-low spreads from 0.0 pips with a $3 commission per lot per side. For those who prefer trading via TradingView or Tickmill Trader, the TradingView Raw account offers similar conditions, including spreads from 0.0 pips and a $3.5 commission per lot per side. All accounts support a minimum deposit of $100, leverage up to 1 to 1,000, and allow all trading strategies, including scalping and hedging. Additionally, Tickmill provides swap-free Islamic account options to accommodate traders who require them. The broker also offers a free demo account that mirrors real market conditions, allowing traders to practice risk-free with virtual funds. Accessible via MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Tickmill Trader, the demo account provides access to over 180 instruments across 6 asset classes. Traders can customize their demo experience by adjusting leverage, virtual balance, and account type. The demo account is designed to simulate live trading environments, enabling users to test strategies and familiarize themselves with the platform before committing real capital. Creating an account with Tickmill is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Start Trading button. Next, you'll want to submit your personal information, such as your name, email address, phone number, and create a password. After your account has been submitted, you will be redirected to the Tickmill client area. The next step would be to choose and create your preferred trading account type. Please note that you will be required to verify your personal information in order to begin trading live, or you can simply open a demo account. The next step after you have chosen and created your preferred live trading account, or have simply opened a demo account, would be to download and install your preferred trading platform, or you can simply use their web trader. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 web trader. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 web trader with Tickmill. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can easily switch between all of Tickmill's available market instruments directly from this panel. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. At the top of the chart, a variety of chart types, drawing tools, and indicators to help you customize your dashboard according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to any of Tickmill's trading platforms, the broker provides a wide variety of helpful educational content, such as video tutorials, to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. Tickmill offers a variety of secure and convenient deposit and withdrawal options. Deposits can be made via bank wire transfers, credit and debit cards, Skrill, Neteller, Union Pay, and cryptocurrencies, with minimum amounts starting from $100. All deposits are processed within 1 working day, and Tickmill covers transaction fees up to $100 for bank wire transfers over $5,000. Withdrawals are processed back to the original payment method and typically completed within 1 working day. There are no fees for deposits or withdrawals, ensuring a seamless and cost-effective trading experience. The broker provides a comprehensive range of educational resources to support traders at all levels. Their education hub offers free on-demand video tutorials and online courses covering topics from the basics of futures contracts to advanced trading strategies. Additionally, Tickmill hosts multilingual webinars and seminars led by industry experts, allowing traders to learn in real time and interact with professionals. For those who prefer self-paced learning, the platform offers a variety of ebooks. These resources are designed to enhance the trader's knowledge and skills, providing valuable insights into the financial markets. The broker's News and Analysis Hub offers traders timely insights into market developments, economic events, and trading schedules. The platform features daily market outlooks and provides in-depth analysis on commodities, including crude oil price trends influenced by geopolitical events. Traders can also access sector-specific analysis such as the FTSE 100 index performance and its impact on UK homebuilders. The hub also shares important updates on Tickmill's own services such as product launches, trading schedule changes, promotions, and participation in international expos. Designed to empower informed decision-making, Tickmill's news and analysis equips traders with actionable insights to navigate the markets with confidence. Tickmill has garnered numerous industry accolades, underscoring its commitment to excellence in the financial services sector. In 2024, the broker was recognized as the #1 broker for commissions and fees by forexbrokers.com, marking its 4th consecutive year at the top. Additional honors include the Best Forex Broker 2024 from Rankia, Argentina, Best Forex Spreads from FX Empire, and Best Customer Support from FX Scout's Forex Awards. These awards highlight Tickmill's dedication to providing competitive trading conditions, exceptional customer service, and innovative trading solutions to its clients. Overall, Tickmill stands out as a reputable and client-focused broker in the financial industry. With a strong regulatory presence across multiple jurisdictions, including the UK, Cyprus, Seychelles, South Africa, and Dubai, Tickmill ensures a secure trading environment for its clients. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments, catering to various trader preferences. Tickmill's commitment to providing competitive trading conditions is evident through its ultra-tight spreads, fast execution speeds, and leverage options up to 1 to 1,000, depending on the instrument. Traders can choose from multiple trading platforms such as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, TradingView, and Tickmill Trader, each offering unique features to enhance the trading experience. The broker also provides various account types, including Classic, Raw, and Islamic account options, to accommodate different trading styles and preferences. Educational resources such as webinars, seminars, and video tutorials are available to support traders in enhancing their skills and knowledge. Tickmill's dedication to excellence is further demonstrated through its industry accolades, including recognition for low spreads and fast execution. With a user-friendly interface, robust customer support, and a commitment to transparency, Tickmill continues to be a top choice for traders seeking a reliable trading partner. And that is our overview of Tickmill. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.